Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Bin Assembly part number 53045268888. The Frigidaire Bin Assembly part number 53045268888 is a replacement part for a refrigerator. It is a plastic bin that fits into the top of the refrigerator and is used to store items such as fruits, vegetables, and other food items. The bin has two handles on either side for easy access and removal. It also has a clear plastic lid that helps keep food items fresh and organized. The bin is designed to fit most Frigidaire refrigerators and can be easily installed with the included hardware. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement bin assembly for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a broken or damaged bin assembly and can help to fix symptoms such as an inability to store items in the refrigerator, an inability to access items stored in the refrigerator, and an inability to close the refrigerator door properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the existing bin assembly by lifting it up and out of the refrigerator. 3. Place the new bin assembly into the refrigerator, making sure that it is properly aligned with the slots in the side walls of the refrigerator. 4. Push down on the bin assembly until it is securely in place. 5. Plug in the refrigerator and test to make sure that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.